Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, on to the next section now. We're dealing with Merrily We Roll Along, also known as Mary Had a Little Lamb. Repeat side. Right, we're going to do that one again, and we're going to drop the tempo down to a more reasonable speed. 1, 2, 3, and all right. And here we have Lightly Row as a duet. Remember, when you play duets, you're very, very strict with your timing, because it's real easy when you're doing it this way, where you record one part with the other and put them together, to rush or drag and not keep that same timing, versus if you're playing with a group. Here's part A. And moving on to part B. One, 2, 3, and here we go with one step at a time. 3, and so this is Good King Wenceslas. Very well known Christmas tune. 1, 2, 3. Song of the Fjords. Keeping that same nice, even, steady tempo. And I highly recommend that you adjust your tempos, that you can play at quick speeds and fast speeds and slow speeds and all over. But for demonstration purposes on these videos, I'm going to keep them on the slow side until we get into more solo-y kind of stuff. 2, 3. I'm getting some popping in, I think, my second valve. Alright, and complete the composition. I will play for you the first 6 measures, and then you would come up with the last 2 measures on your own. Your part right here. The last one for this video will be number 29. Go for excellence. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.